I'm gonna talk y'all through my video, my meditation video today. Hold on one second. All right, that's what we're looking at. I have to set up my lighting. Give me a second. Ace, I'm not doing that with you. Lay down. Lay down. Very good. Very good. So hopefully this is connected. And I'm gonna plug this in here. Hopefully this is on. Yes, it's working. Okay, cool. All right, so like I said before, we're gonna do a warm light because this is a room where a warm light works well. I don't really know super much. Like I don't know a lot about lighting, but I just know that I want the backlight because it makes me stand out from the background, and I want the forelight to light my face. But the front light, you don't want it to be a hard light. You want it to be a soft light. Meaning, even if you just have a regular lamp, you can just point the lights away from yourself and then, you know, film the video like that. Good boy, AC. Very good boy. Hold on. I feel like this was too far to this side, so I'm going to put it right there. Hopefully that's good. Let me see something right here. Let me see something right here. Let's see. All right, that looks good to me. That looks good to me.